Hey guys, I just found the problem that I have with my Roland SP300V. My machine was blowing all the fuse that I'm using. The problem was, as you can see here, everything is good. It was the transistor who made the problem. I'm testing now the transistor, and I found a problem. On my transistor. This one was the problem. I don't know if you can see it. Or try. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. If you can see here, no, the problem is this one. You see, I have a short. It's not a good one. I have to change this one. It's the same number, C4131. If I'm testing this one, there's nothing, but same one, 4131, I have a shortcut here. Oh my god, it's hard to work with one hand. Okay, I hope to help you. This was my problem. It's this one. I have to change it, but I don't know where